I'm excited to show you how you can create test or exam questions using EduEditor. In this application, I'm going to use the AI feature to create test question which is meant to be served to my students. For this particular example, I'm going to assume to be a basic science teacher who wants to set 10 questions for an upcoming test. For this particular example, I taught my learners electricity and magnetism, and I've got my notes. So the question now is, how can I quickly set test questions, objective test questions from my notes? So let me show you. The first thing you're going to do is to create your subject name. So in this case, basic science. Then the next thing is to define the class or what we call the season. So in this case, it is JSS2. Then once you've created the class, the next thing is to go ahead to create your question. Now, rather than typing the question manually, I can use the AI feature to create my test question. To do that, you right click on that class, then you see AI question generator. You click on that, and in this case, you have a basic science and other topic. I want to set 5 questions for under electricity. Then the number of questions is 5. I want the options to be 4 options per question. Then I can give the AI further instruction, but for now I'm not interested in that. But what I need to provide to the AI is my actual notes. So if you have your notes as text or in Word, you can copy and paste. Or if you have your notes as PDF, you can just import that using this button. So I'm going to import my PDF notes. So here's my PDF note, electricity. So I'm going to select that. Once you select that, it's going to copy all the text in that PDF note right into this box or this field. Once you're done with that, the next thing is to click on generate and just wait for the AI to perform its magic. Now the AI is done generating those 5 questions, and you can see how interesting they are. You've got the question, you've got 4 options, and the AI also selected the correct answer. Then you can check other questions. You can see them. Now, to show you that all these questions are actually for my notes, I'm going to show you the notes so that you'll see what I'm talking about. So here's the notes from which the AI constructed the question. You can see that the note talks about types of electricity, and we've got a question on that. It talks about how electricity is generated, friction, chemical reaction, water, and the likes, use of electricity, and we also have conductors and non-conductors, electric circuits, and so on. Now, if you check out those questions, you see questions related to what I just showed you. We have use of electricity, and here you have a question related to that. We have another one on method of generating, and you have a question on that. So this is a very interesting way you can create or set questions right from your notes very quickly and very easily. And in case you want to add more question, so in this case, I want to add another question from magnetism. All I'll just do is right click on that same class, then go to question generator. Then I'm going to provide the topic, which is magnetism, right? Then I'm going to ask for 5 questions, 4 options, then import my notes. And now I'm going to pick magnetism. Once you select magnetism, it copies all the notes related to from that PDF file. And here I have all my notes. Then just click generate and just wait for the magic to happen. The AI is now done generating those questions. The last 5 questions are from question number 6 to question number 10. And you can see that they are very much in line with the notes. So let me show you the notes so that you have an idea. So here's the note on magnetism. The note has to do with magnetism, properties of magnets, types of magnets, and the uses of magnet, and then the magnetization. So let's check what it created. So here we have types. Then we have question on method of demagnetization. Then we have question related to things that can be attracted by magnets. Then you have other questions related to the node. So you can see how you can smartly create questions using the AI feature in EduEditor. Once you are done creating your question, even if you are not setting a computer-based test, you can export your question to a question paper format. You provide the name of your school. So let's call this IF Survey Academy, and then the subject name. Then you proceed. And once you do that, you have your question in an exam standard format. And you can go ahead and print this and just give to your students. This is how smart teachers have been going about generating their questions.